Getting your first 1,000, or in my case 1.85 thousand subscribers can feel like a huge milestone. And for me, it was. But here's the thing, gaining subscribers is one thing, but actually getting the watch time you need to grow your channel, that's a whole other story. So in today's video, I'm going to break down how I got my first 1.85 thousand subscribers and why watch time is still a challenge for me, and maybe it is for you too. Hi lovely people, and welcome back to Learn with Nia, the channel where I help those of us over 40 get set up and growing on YouTube. So reaching 1.85 thousand subscribers wasn't actually as hard as I previously expected. Honestly, the early days felt a bit slow, but then it started getting quite straightforward. And here are things that worked for me. Using YouTube Shorts, engaging with my audience, and consistent uploads. I also made sure to promote my channel wherever I could, whether that's on different social media channels or word of mouth, whatever you're going to use to market your channel, and cross promote between videos to boost your visibility and boost your watch time. And what I mean by cross promoting is putting a link to a different video on the end, using cards on your video to try and get people to go and watch another one. So that increases your visibility on YouTube because people are moving from one video to the next. So YouTube Shorts, as some of you will know from some of my other videos, have played a huge role in my growth. So by posting shorts, I could grab people's attention, and it really did grow my subscriber count faster. So they're great for getting discovered, especially when you're just starting out. So I would always recommend using YouTube Shorts to initially grow your channel. You can stop doing them later on if you find them a bore or a chore to do. But you know what? They'll help you grow from the start and they will gain you subscribers. So I would highly recommend that if you're starting a channel or if you've recently started a channel and you've only got a few subscribers, make some shorts because you will see your subscriber count grow. So subscriber count versus watch time. Here's the kicker, okay? Subscribers don't equal watch time. So yes, at the time of recording, I've got 1.85 thousand subscribers. So keeping people engaged long enough to increase my watch time is where the challenge lies. So the YouTube algorithm is designed to reward watch time and audience retention. So even if you have tons of subscribers, if they're not watching your video all the way through, it's not going to help your watch time and it won't help your channel grow. You need to keep people on your channel longer to increase your watch time. So this is where cross promotion from video to video on your channel is so important. So always use cards and always use an end screen with at least one link to another video on your channel, because there's always the chance that somebody might click on that and keep watching on your channel. As most of you know, shorts are quick, okay, and most shorts are under a minute long. And as I said before, they're fantastic for growing your subscriber count quickly, but they don't help with your watch time, okay, because shorts count as a separate thing. So to get your watch time up, you need to get people to watch your long form content. And this is the challenge. This is where you need to get people to watch your vlog or your tutorial or whatever your long form content is, from the start to the end preferably. But if you can get them to halfway, that's great too, because that first half will count towards your watch time. So one of the issues I've faced with this is audience's attention span. It's so hard to get people to watch longer videos, especially those people who are used to watching shorts or TikTok or Facebook Reels or something, anything that's sort of instant gratification. So you have to work doubly hard to get people to watch your longer video, and you need to keep people interested from start to the end of the video. So here are 3 tips that might help you with your watch time. So tip number 1, create engaging intros. So one thing I've learned is having an engaging intro or a hook is key to holding someone's attention. The first 10 to 15 seconds of your video can make or break the viewer's decision to stay on your video. So you need to give them a reason to keep watching. So for example, in my videos now, I didn't at first, but I do now, always start with a hook. So it can be something intriguing or helpful, a quick overview of what we'll be doing, perhaps a question. So viewers know straight away what they're going to get from the video. And asking questions in your hook does encourage people to answer those questions in your comments. So that's a good tip to keep people engaged in your videos. Tip number 2, creating playlists to increase your watch time. So another strategy that's helped me with watch time is creating playlists. So if someone watches one of your videos, they may not be inclined to click and watch another video. But if you create a playlist with similar content, YouTube can automatically play the next video. And once your new video starts, well, the viewer might be a bit intrigued and they might watch another one of your videos. And this can go on and on and on and on if you've got a playlist. So for example, I've got a playlist that is YouTube tips for over 40s. So it contains multiple videos with related content. So by doing this, when someone watches one of those videos, they're more likely to stick around for the next one. And then that boosts my watch time. Tip number 3, audience retention. So ultimately, the key to improving your watch time is audience retention. You need to provide value consistently throughout your video. And this doesn't necessarily just mean the content itself, but the way you present it. So for example, I always try to make my videos valuable by giving clear, actionable steps. And I try to keep things as interesting as I can with a bit of on-screen text and a bit of B-roll now and again. I also make sure to engage with my audience in the comments. So I encourage them to ask questions or leave feedback, leave their thoughts, because this increases the likelihood that they'll return and then watch more of my videos. So audience retention really is key to getting that watch time. So to summarise, getting 1.85 thousand subscribers was pretty straightforward, okay? But getting the watch time you need to get monetised is one hell of a challenge. But if you focus on creating engaging intros, use playlists to keep people watching, and keep working on improving your retention rate, you should see some good results on your watch time. So if you're also struggling with watch time or you've got some tips to share, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to chat about it. And as always, if you found this video helpful or it resonated with you, remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video, especially if you're over 40 and just starting out on YouTube. I am here to help you. And remember, you've got this, and I'll see you in the next one.